Have you heard the term transformer in HVAC lingo and you wondered what an HVAC transformer may look like for residential use? And also the question may be what is or what are the functions of an HVAC transformer in the HVAC industry? Why do I need an HVAC transformer? And what will the end result of the HVAC transformer produce? Simply put, this is an HVAC transformer. There are many, probably, I don't know how many manufacturers of these things are there, so they're not too big. One could hold this in the palm of their hand. It has a little weight to it because it probably has coils in it, wound up in it. But simply put, a transformer takes high voltage and reduces it to low voltage in some respects. Now, I spoke with a German fellow that dealt with other transformers, larger transformers that come off the power supply or the power grid where it originates, and he was telling me some of these they're step up and step down transformers, and he was saying he conveyed to me that there may be some that you could just turn 180 degrees. I'm not certain. One can actually research that, but this is way beyond this. This is way down the stream. What he was dealing with was at the root of the supply. But what we're dealing with is for the residential, which is normally off of the pole into the house, 240, somewhere thereabouts, 240 volts. So anyway, this transformer here actually can do 240 volts or 208, etc. Now it steps it down into low voltage, and in transformer, the word trans means across. So, and we're forming something across. So we're going across here to here. When we step down to this side, we're at 24 volts. So we're at high voltage on this side and low voltage on this side. One may ask the question, why do I need to step the voltage down? Simply put, if you feed this voltage into a computer board, or you feed this voltage into a thermostat wire, in all probability, something's going to blow. Maybe the insulation may start to smoke or melt. So, and the wires are thinner, so the gauge wires. So a lot of heating and air, many people may not be aware of this. They think that it's like high voltage coming in. That is a true statement. But much of heating and air conditioning is actually operated off of low voltage. However, one caveat to keep in mind, low voltage shorts and things of this nature can be very difficult to find. So high voltage, it seems to be easier to locate, but high voltage could be on the more dangerous side if one's not familiar with their working surroundings. But anyway, we take this transformer. We started out at 240. We go down, we're at 24 volts. So now we can feed the board, we can feed the transformer, etc. in the low voltage. So, and again, there are many of these. How often do these go bad? My opinion is rarely do they go bad. Anything's possible. If one touches the common wire and the hot wire, maybe changing the thermostat, they could potentially blow this transformer if there's not a fuse in line to break the fuse before it gets here. But generally speaking, my opinion is I've rarely replaced any of these. I have replaced them, but it's not very often. So it's simply to take a high voltage and step it down to a low voltage. Again, HVAC transformer, transforming, going across high voltage, across to low voltage, and we're transforming it from high voltage to low voltage. So this is what an HVAC transformer looks like. If you hear the term, it's where the power comes in and begins. The 240 bumps it down to 24 volts, and then 24 volts goes in many different directions in an HVAC system and can be tease the brain and actually confuse the brain and tease the brain. But this is what an HVAC transformer looks like, and I hope this helps, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.